Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to make multiple YouTube channels with one Gmail account. So first one is just simply go to YouTube and make sure you are signed in into your Gmail account. And after that, just simply go to the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply go ahead and go for the settings on the drop down menu. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to see here your channel, and you can just simply click on add or manage your channels. Just simply click on this one, and after that, you should be able to see all of your channel. And if you want to create another one or create a multiple channel, you can just simply click on create a channel over here and just simply provide a name for your channel and then provide a handle name as well. And when you click on select picture, you should be able to upload a profile as well. And after that, just simply click on create a channel over here. And after that, guys, you should be able to create your channel. And if you go to top right corner over here, and when you go for the settings again and go for the add or manage your channel, as you can see, we will have two channels already. And from there, if you want to create a new one, you can just simply click on create a channel. That's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.